Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remember the order of operations using alignment. I understand how confusing it can be when you have an expression with multiple operations. In such cases, you may get wrong about which operations should come first. So I will show you step by step with a simple alignment shape, and I hope it helps you. So let's start together. First, we need to know the order of operations rules. There are basically 4 of them, which go something like this. First, do operations in parentheses and brackets. They work exactly like each other. Remember that every time you see the bracket and parentheses in an expression, you need to start with them. Thus, parentheses and brackets are priority number 1. For example, if we have something like this, we have parentheses, so we need to start with it. Inside the parentheses, we have 2 plus 1, which is 3. Then 3 times 5 gives us 15, our final answer. But if we have a problem that has more than one set of parentheses, like this, in such cases, it doesn't matter which set of parentheses you do first. We just need to simplify all parentheses and then do other operations. So 5 times 2 equals 10. And here in parentheses, we have 3 plus 1 equals 4. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. So we first do parentheses and then subtraction. Next, do exponents. This small number is called an exponent or power. So after simplifying any parentheses and brackets, next priority is exponent. For example, in this problem, we have to simplify the exponent before addition. So 6 squared equals 36, and then 36 plus 10 equals 46. So first exponent, then other operation. Then do multiplication and division. For example, if we have a problem like this, we need to do multiplication first and then other operations, which is addition here. So first, 7 times 2 equals 14, and then 14 plus 4 equals 18. But if we have something like this, which do we do first? Here, remember that multiplication and division are the same priority in order. So if we have both in an expression, we need to operate from left to right. So we start with division because division is first and then multiplication. So 10 divided by 2 equals 5, and then 5 times 5 equals 25. And the last rules is addition and subtraction. And remember that addition and subtraction are on the same level as well. So if we have both, you need to work from left to right. For example, if we have 10 minus 2 plus 7 minus 3, we need to do operations from left to right. So first we have minus, so 10 minus 2 equals 8. Then we have addition, so 8 plus 7 equals 15. And then we have subtraction, 15 minus 3 equals 12. So it seems that if you consider these 4 rules as instruction and follow them step by step, you can easily solve problems. But it seems so forgettable. That's why I want to draw it as a man, making it easier to remember. To draw a line man, start by drawing the face and then the eyes, followed by the nose and mouth, and finally draw the body. So I'm focusing first on parentheses, which looks like a round face, and bracket as ears. And then I'm looking at exponents, which I imagine them as eyes. After that, I'm thinking about multiplication and division, a kind of nose and mouth. Lastly, I considering addition as a body and subtraction as a feet. So every time you encounter a problem with multiple operations, it's helpful to draw a alignment or simply imagine it to determine where to start exactly. Now let's solve this example, which includes multiple operations. First, we need to know the order of operations, so we should draw alignment to recall the order. So we start by drawing his face and ears to represent parentheses and brackets. Then we draw his eyes, which represent exponents. Next, multiplication and division as his nose and mouth. And lastly, addition and subtraction are shown his body and his feet. And we can give it hair so that it looks like a human figure. Note that multiplication and division have the same priority in order of operations. So if we have both in an expression, we need to operate from left to right, just like reading a book. And the same applies for addition and subtraction. They have equal priority, so I put a star beside them to remember. So we start with parentheses. Inside parentheses, we have 4 times 3 equals 12. And then number 2 is exponent, so we have exponent here, 6 squared, which is equals 36. Now let's rewrite the expression. 10 plus 36 plus 12 divided by 2 minus 3. And here we have addition, division, and subtraction. We know that division has a priority over addition and subtraction. So we need to do division operation first and then moving to addition and subtraction. So here we have 12 divided by 2, which is 6. And then we have 10 plus 36 plus 6 minus 3. And here we have addition and subtraction, so they have equal priority, so we operate from left to right. So first 10 plus 36 equals 46, and then 46 plus 6 equals 52, and 52 minus 3 equals 49. Thanks for watching this video with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more math hacks and tips. Until next time, happy mathing!